Hello, I'm Franz Josef, and today I will answer the 3 most frequently asked questions about the REDOCOL Kombicoll Super-N. The Kombicoll is a white glue with an excellent price-performance ratio. We offer it in different classes for various areas of application. From living room and office furniture to applications in the kitchen or bathroom. If you mix the D3 glue with hardener, it turns into D4 glue and can even be used outdoors. A particularly practical feature, the products come with a handy spout, which makes them extremely easy to use. The correct mixing ratio is important, therefore you should mix 5% hardener into the D3 glue. It is best to use a scale for this. Then stir the mixture with an angular stirring rod made of stainless steel or plastic. This increases the surface area and ensures a more homogeneous mass. This way you achieve the best adhesive strength and durability. White glue is generally a water-based glue. It is therefore important to store the Kombicoll in tightly closed original containers protected from frost and heat. After some time in storage, the glue may thicken slightly. In that case, simply stir thoroughly. Then it is ready for use again. The glue can be stored for up to 12 months. These were the 3 most frequently asked questions about the REDOCOL Kombicoll Super-N. If you have further questions, please contact us. You can find more information in our online shop. Thank you and see you soon.